Hi everyone, April here from Lilac Peaches Handmade. Today I'm going to show you how I created a fun gift card holder box. The file is from Creative Fabrica. You're going to need your cardstock cutouts, acetate, glue. I use both Bearly Art and Beacon 3-in-1, and foam tape. As you can see, I start off by assembling all pieces of the box by folding on the dashed cut lines. This definitely makes it for easier folding. I find it so much easier to go ahead and use hot glue when gluing the corners of the box to make it stay put, as it dries quickly. Next, I'm going to go ahead and glue my acetate to this piece that goes on top of the box. You'll notice that for this piece I use the Beacon 3-in-1 glue. Next, I'm going to glue the piece on that covers the acetate. Look at that Nina Star Dream. It's beautiful and shimmery. Next, I'm going to go ahead and start assembling the element that I'm choosing to go on top of my box. I'm using foam tape here to go ahead and give it a 3D popped out effect. So cute. This gold sequin glitter paper is definitely one of my favorites. It adds that next level touch and it has a sparkle that really catches your eye. I like to use foam tape to secure my element to the top of the box lid. Lastly, you can go ahead and place your gift card directly inside the pre-cut slits to hold it in place.